Okay, I just made this video for my buddies up in Washington State. See a guy coming off a ladder. Does he have a mask on? He actually does have a face thing on. Okay, I got some other guys working up here. Let's see if they've got their. Oh, they're definitely not social distancing. Definitely not social distancing. No masks. No mask. That could be a serious, I don't know what Labor and Industries, or I don't know, Department of L&I. That could be a serious fine to people in Washington. They would probably call the police on them and full-on investigation. Maybe $10,000 fine times 2 right there. Do you think they'd bring those guys in for questioning? Pretty serious stuff, folks. Pretty serious stuff. I'll bet you there's a lot of these infractions going on. But, you know, they got bigger things to worry about on the job site, like maybe getting run over by a backhoe, or maybe getting your goggles fogged up and cutting your pinky off or your thumb off with the Sawzall. That might be even more dangerous than the fantasy flu. What do you think?